In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update your computer. Now, it's very important that we keep our computer up to date because there are possibly regularly new threats, and our computer keeps updating to protect itself, or even just updating to provide the latest technology for us. So let's take a look on the screen here. Now, in the bottom right of your corner of your computer, you'll see these arrows that kind of go in a circle. So that kind of indicates like a refresh, or click this button to refresh. It's kind of supposed to be for the update. And you can see when I put my pointer over it, your device needs to restart to install updates. Select a time to restart. And so if you don't see it right there on your computer, it's possible that you just need to click this up arrow to reveal some of these hidden icons. So we could click on that, or we could come over here in the center to this search and just type update. And so then we see right here the first option, check for updates. So I'll show you another way that we can find it. We come down here to the start button, come over here to settings, and if for some reason you can't find settings, you could always search for it up here in this box. Just type settings, or you could go to all and get an alphabetical list of everything on your computer and find settings under that. But either way, we come to this screen basically. If I clicked this in the bottom right, it would give a Windows update. Now I could either click this button in the top right to restart now and install all of this, or I could click this drop down arrow for more options, which basically just gives me the scheduling of the restart. So I could schedule it for maybe 2 o'clock in the morning when I wasn't using it. Now let me show you how this looks once again if we, for instance, came over here to the start button, came to settings, and then in the settings we could once again just type update in this little search area right here, or we could find Windows Update along this left-hand side all the way at the bottom right here. It's one of the main kind of tabs or options, which then changes this whole right side and gives us the information about this update. Now, just want to point out that we have a list of what's being updated, which is kind of jibber jabber unless you're really technically savvy, like very technically savvy. There's some more options that you could look at, but you could also down here at the bottom get help or related support. So you see right here is related support, or get help. Potentially you have some kind of problem or question with any of this, and you could just go to the section to the bottom, and Windows is really good about giving support or just answering questions, having articles on frequently asked questions, and so forth. So that is how to update your computer for a Windows computer. All right, thank you for watching.